guys, today we are unboxing Works 14 Scorpio Spear 07. This is a right spin balance. Here's the code. Here's Scorpio Spear. Scorpio Spear. He looks like hell silver and combination of silver wood because he has a spinning ring. The ratchet 07. This has 0 contact points and it's a middle height. The beat shaft is like a combination of point and accent. And this is the launcher. It's a original one-day launcher. Look at it.